brought my action cam out today. I got my notebook and I have my new notebook replacement. You're probably asking what yourself, what's a notebook replacement? Look at that. So I've often carried around lots of notebooks like this to jot notes down in. Yep, it's pencils, pens, you name it. Yep, paper. Use a lot of paper to take notes. You're probably asking yourself, you can get yourself an iPad. Yeah, you could. Actually, I've had over 8 iPads. This is not an iPad. This is something to replace paper that's like an iPad. So what did I get? I got myself what's called the SuperNote. Oh yeah, reasons why I got the Nomad. And this thing is pretty cool, actually. Guys and gals, there is my SuperNote Nomad A6 size. Oh, I upgraded my pen. I put this little grip on it, and my God, it's way better. So there is the SuperNote. Oops. The only thing I don't like about the calendar, you have to like hit the space bar, and then you type something in, let's say like, and then it puts it in text. I'd rather just do a handwritten message. I don't know why it has to be in text. It's kind of annoying that it has to convert it to text. That's the only thing I don't like about the calendar. And so it seems like it takes way longer than it needs to. Take notes. So I go back to the recent files and open up one of my notes. I don't have too many of them right now because I'm at home because we have roofers here. And they've been roofing all week, so someone has to be here. So I've actually taken a vacation, and I'm a small business owner, so it's really hard to take a vacation for a whole week. But we really needed a new roof. They're doing a phenomenal job. It's really great, but like I said, somebody's got to be here, so I'm here now just kind of doing some things around the house. And my digital Nomad by SuperNote, or I think actually Ratta, came, and let me tell you, I'm playing around with it. So yeah, I'm doing, if you don't know, I'm into model railroad, and my next layout's gonna be T-Trak, and I actually have a notebook for T-Trak. I'm gonna convert it all into this, and yeah, we can then go in and link to them. I think, how do we do that? There we go. And then I'm gonna have, for each one, I'm gonna have the measurements and stuff, because I'm here in my workshop right now. Yeah, I got some stuff out here because it gets really dirty. So this is some of the wood I'm going to be using to do my my layout. I'm doing some of the wood now. I got it laid out. But yeah, this is going to be awesome once I can convert my my regular notebooks back over to this. I mean, I mainly got this thing for using it at work, but I can see using this at home too. I mean, it's got a lot of possibilities. So if you're into hobbies or whatever, I mean, it's really cool. I actually made one, since I'm at home, I made one for movies and TV shows. So we watch a lot of streaming TV shows, and yeah, you can, so we got like, we just got finished watching Animal, I think it was called Animal Kingdom, and we also watched American Rust. Oh my God, both of those were on Prime. Oh my God, those were awesome. So now we're looking for more streaming shows. So that's why I have these little lists. I used to have a notebook, and now I can do it with this. Really pretty kind of cool. I didn't do very much. I have like different ones I just kind of played around with because, like I said, this thing came when I was on vacation. This is the pen I got. It's a no throws pen, but I added this gel grip. I was getting cramping in my hands, added the gel grip, and it works great. This is only a 9-pound pen, or 9-gram pen, much less than getting one of the ceramic nib pens. I really wanted a ceramic nib pen, by the way, but they didn't really have any in stock, or almost everything I wanted was out of stock. The only one they had in stock was that one that's $89, and I didn't want to spend that much. And I put this gel grip on it, and let me tell you, this has been absolutely wonderful. Adding the gel grip, you can literally buy like 10 of these gel grips for like $2 or $3. This is a Bic one, and it's really nice. It does take some time getting on there. It's rubber. It's really hard to get on. It probably took me about an hour to get it there. On there, it's really hard to get on, but it is very comfortable to write with. This particular pen has a eraser built in. The eraser does not work very good at all. So here I get an empty page. I'm just going to show you how the eraser works. And by the way, I like using this one at 0.06. We'll just do Hello World. But I'll show you how horrible the eraser is built into this thing. See, it doesn't erase very well. So what's actually easier in my book is to find the lasso tool. Because I'm holding my cell phone, I can't use a double gesture. But if you just do that, and then you find that little garbage can, it's so much easier. So yeah, so much easier to do it that way for erasing, in my opinion. General notebook that I've done, I have this one right here, Reasons I Got the Nomad. So I can bring this up here, and you can see I have reduced paper, reduced eye strain, search notes, paper-like, plug and play, fixability, long-lasting battery, small size, great focus, and more. So each one of these now is a link, right? It links to another, boom. And see, so like, yeah, replace paper, easy to search, have notebooks in the cloud, convert to text, easy edit, text docs, easy to share, link to other devices, things. So I made all these things in here, and because I was going to do a video. It was pretty cool. And it comes with a folio. I thought this was going to be textured. It's not. It's just smooth. It's a smooth, like, cloth surface. It's really nice. That's the pen I got. And I added this grip to it because I was having some cramping issues in my hand. And since I added this grip, awesome. This is like...